am going to say is, baby, y'all not ready for this glow up. Excuse me. Good motherfucking morning, you guys. Good morning. So today, I don't know if I'm gonna make this the start of the vlog, but basically it's going to be a vacation prep vlog. I am getting ready. I hope you can hear me. I'm getting ready to go on vacation, so you know what that means. I hope I don't look crazy. You know what that means. That means more I am going 90 miles per hour. Let me slow down. More content coming, so I got content for you guys. Oh, of course my battery wants to act stupid right when I get everything situated while driving. But anyway, I'm on my way to Charlotte right now. I'm gonna get my hair done today. I'm getting my lashes done today. So these next few days, you're gonna see me in like different stages of getting ready for vacation. But I just wanted to pop up here because I have to introduce this vlog, duh. But yeah, what the fuck would you cut in front of me and be going like 20 miles per hour, sir? Like, hello. Anyway, I will see you guys when I'm in Charlotte because I guess the setup is just not it. Avocado head, not an egg.
Girl, a whole avocado head.
Yo, I gotta show it to you. This is girl. She does her hair. Gosh. When I tell you this, she's goals. Now me gonna start coming to you.
You like it?
Yes, this is different. Let me tell you, I was really scared of this hairstyle because of my head, and I'm also very picky. I'm a big picky person.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, I'm picky. That's. Oh, this looks so good.
You like it? You like it?
Je fais la tête, je suis fucked up, mais c'est pas fini, ça fait boum boum, fessé sur ton poum poum. Chérie, couche-toi, quand ton regard me dit on y va moi, on y va moi.
All I am going to say is, baby, y'all not ready for this glow up. This glow up, because baby, what needed to be done was done on this hair, bruh. It looks so good. It looks so good. And I got somebody watching me. It looks so good. Like I'm doing my hair more because what the fuck, bro? This shit is so neat. But anyway, my hair is done. The next thing I was supposed to get my toes done is probably lashes tomorrow. But I'm so good, like, and I don't have no makeup on, bro. This is why it's important to get your hair done, because you get your hair done and you don't even know how to act, man. You don't even know how to act. Okay, let me stop because people are staring at me now and I look crazy. All right, bye y'all. See y'all. Good morning. Is this the morning? Yeah, good morning, you guys. So today's another day of this get ready with me vacation. This needs to get done. So right now I am actually going to start driving because I gotta go, and we're gonna get my eyebrows done. I haven't got my eyebrows done in over like probably like where am I going? In over a year and some change. But like I need to get this started, and it needs to look right, because I have my lashes done, my hair is done, and then my eyebrows want to start looking some bushy, like wavy. But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna go get my eyebrows done, and then I have a nail appointment right after, and then I have my y'all still about to say my vagina wax. I'm gonna get what the fuck is it called? A Brazilian wax. A Brazilian wax. Girl, let me tell you, I need that Brazilian wax, because the girl's been holding up for a minute, and yeah, I need a Brazilian wax. The Brazilian wax, like, all this was not supposed to happen today, but I don't know, just my wax was supposed to be yesterday, but it got rescheduled to today, which tied into me having a nail appointment. And then last night, oh my god, I forgot my list. I was writing a whole list of things I need to get and stuff. Oh fuck, it's okay. Anyway, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. See the hair though, I didn't want to put more edge control, so if my edge is gonna look crazy for now, that's fine, because honestly this shit looks so good. I look good. Alright, bye y'all. Instead of me going to go get my eyebrows done, I just came to where I was supposed to get my nails done. Okay, hi y'all, so we are back. I just got my nails done. They look so good, so good. Of course, short and simple. I gotta hurry up and go to get my eyebrows threaded. Bro, why do I have to have work today? I should take today off, but bro, I'm taking like 3 days off, and that's just not okay. But I'm gonna go get my eyebrows threaded, and then I have to go get my wax done, and then I have work. So I will see you guys when I am getting my eyebrows threaded. Bye y'all. Got done doing my eyebrows. I honestly can't see them right now, but I think she did a pretty good job. I have not gotten my eyebrows done, like I said before, in a minute. Oh, bro, lashes. But anyway, I think she did a pretty good job. I'll show it to y'all later, but now I gotta go get this waxed. The last and final thing is getting this waxed. Getting this kitty cat, this queen, let me call her queen, getting this queen waxed, and I think that'll be it for this video. I'm getting some things checked off on my list, but still, like, I didn't get everything. And work would just ruin everything, especially working at night, bro. But yeah, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. I can't believe this vacation is tomorrow. I don't know, I'm looking forward to it, but I'm just like, what the fuck? Like, this was planned for a minute and it's finally coming on. But enough of me talking, because I do want to listen to music. Oh my god, I don't know how you guys do lashes. This thing is like, explain what the fuck this is. Hey, girl.
How you doing?
I'm tired. No, I don't think I need to watch. How are you doing? You look so tired.
Girl, I'm not tired.
You hot? Is you?
You so funny. No, I probably am. I just got back from Miami last night.
Oh, great.
It's all the way down here, so I don't want to get no wax from it. Let's pull it up.
Okay. It's all up in my butt, huh? Oh my god. That's really what be happening to me when I'm getting ready. Like, damn.
Take a deep breath for me. Good job.
Ooh. I'm not shaving again. I'm not shaving again.
No, T, no shaving.
No,
T,
really, no shaving. Because, bro, it makes it worse when you come back.
Try that one day.
You should. Because it's like you spend like 8 hours on the boat. They give you lunch.
Good job.
They give you lunch and,
What?
yeah. No, but it would hurt. So I was like, I did it. Let me put something on my lips. Ooh, yeah, this gives a clear view.
Did you find them?
Meet my, yeah, cause y'all, nobody's ever seen, nobody sees this side of me. Just like, water? Water? Hand? What? And I was like, you ain't no gum. I was like, shit, maybe that calms her down. I ain't got no gum.
I didn't know what to do. I was like,
You did the best.
just finish it.
It's, yeah.